For the final trade of the day, we're taking a look at the hottest sectors in the stock market. For that, we have Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot with us. And Joel, always good to have you here. What goes through your trader mind when you see the Nasdaq notching record after record? What's behind the move?
Well, right now, I think that I'm really looking for opportunities for some of the sector leaders. I think a lot of this has something to do with the potential acquiring of TikTok. Microsoft is looking to acquire TikTok. I think some of that is positive news there, and really adding momentum to the overall weight of the market. I think some of the sector leaders are really leading the charge. As you kind of seen last week, we had Apple doing phenomenally well, Amazon doing phenomenally well. A lot of that is just going to be a lot of carry-on momentum, really pulling the overall Nasdaq higher. So I'll be looking for some of those sector leaders to see if there's an opportunity to kind of ride on their coattails.
Joel, we also have to talk about the insane moves happening in Kodak. Will you take a shot on those shares?
I'm not going to be touching Kodak. If we look at Kodak just days before earnings, it was trading $2 a share. Surprisingly jumped up to about a high as 12. And then just around earnings itself, traded to even as high as about $60 a share. I didn't foresee that. I think a lot of people did foresee that. I think right now at these levels, trading right around at $19 or so a share, there's been a very significant pullback. So I'm very cautious on what's to come of Kodak in the very near future. I'll be watching the technical levels, but I will not be participating in Kodak here. Just too much uncertainty for trend, and anything around some of these levels is just, I don't think anyone really can kind of price in these kind of moves. So hands off for Kodak right now for me.
Thank you, Joel, and have a good week.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.